Hello friends, this is Hardik and today we are making this object in Fusion 360. Dimensions are over here. It is a very simple object, but we will use a new command in this object. Okay, so we will first start with the new design by clicking on this new design button. Now first of all we will create a square of 30 by 30 by 30 of square. So we will create a new sketch by clicking on create sketch. We will select this plane and we will make a square. For that we will use the rectangle command. The shortcut is R. We will click on the origin and we will write down 30 tab 30 and enter. Now we will extrude it. So first of all we will finish this sketch and we will extrude it. The length of this object is 50 mm. So we will extrude it 50 mm. For extrusion the shortcut is E. As there is no any sections, so the section is automatically selected. I want this into the right hand side direction, so we will use the negative value -50 and enter. Now our object is almost ready. Now what we need a point over here, that is 10 mm apart from this point. Okay, so we will create a sketch on this face and we will create a point over here. So first of all we will create a point, okay, and we will click on this line, this edge. Now we will position this point perfectly. For that we will use the dimension command. For dimensioning the shortcut is D. We will click on this point and click over here and we will write down 10 mm, enter. Now our point is perfectly placed. Now what will we do? We will create another point over here. So again point command, create point over here and one more over here. Now we will position these points perfectly. So we need a dimension from here to here 20 mm. So we will create another dimension by pressing D, click on this point and click over here. We will write down 20, enter. Okay, and from this point to this point the dimension is also 20 mm. So we will create another dimension. For that the shortcut is D. We will click on this point and click over here. We will write down 20, enter. Now we got all these points. So we will finish this sketch. Now what will we do? We will create a plane passing through all these 3 points, 1, 2 and this. Okay, so for that we will go to the construct and we will create a plane through 3 points. Okay, we will go to the construct and we will create the plane through 3 points, and now we will select simply 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. Now we got the plane. Okay, now we will need to split this body with this plane. Okay, so we will go to the modify and we will use the split body command, modify and split body. Now we will select the body and for splitting tool we will click on here and we will select the plane and okay. Now if you open the bodies folder, there are 2 bodies, 1 and 2, that are being highlighted over here, 1 and 2. Now we don't want this body, so we will simply right click on this body and we will remove it. Make sure that you don't delete that, because if you delete that then these bodies will become one again. So we will remove it. Now it is removed and we will hide this plane also. So in construction folder hide this. Okay, now the half part is ready. Now same way we will create a plane over here. So we will go to the construct, again plane through 3 points. We will select this point and this point, and sorry, that point was not selected. Okay, and click on OK. Again we will use the split body command. We will go to the modify, split body. We will select the body, splitting tool, and OK. Now again we created a new body over here, so we don't need this body, so we'll right click on it and we will remove it, and we will hide the plane. Okay, now our object is ready. You can hide the sketch too. Now make this model on your own, and if you find any difficulty, then repeat this lecture or let me know in the comment section. And if you have any difficulty beyond this tutorial, you can contact me. I will be happy to help you. And if you have any model that you want a tutorial on that, then please mail me that model. I will be posting this type of tutorial in future videos. And I have a course on Udemy about Fusion 360, so you can check that out by clicking on the link in the description. There will be some discount if you are using the link. And share this video to the friends and family. That will be helpful for the channel. Thank you very much.